Now we are going to see the last process for this today's session, physical inventory process. Physical inventory process. Few companies will call like physical inventory process, or few companies will call stock take, few companies may call stock count. Okay, different names they may call, that is all. So the physical inventory, there are different process are there, continuous, annual and cycle count and all. According to my experience, mostly companies follow the continuous inventory. Okay, the process will be quite the high level process will be quite similar like our material management, but here the stock count will happen, the physical inventory process will be carried out at the bin level but not at the material level. Okay, in both in case of continuous or annual, it will be happening at the bin level. Let me tell you the simple way. LI01N, create physical inventory document. There are transactions like LX16 and LX15 are there that you can just explore. I don't want to confuse you, just one transaction, let's keep it. LI01N. Once physical inventory document is created, you want to print it. Okay, you can go for LI04, directly print one, or else I like the transaction code called LX22. Okay, let me show you the transaction /n LX22. So this LX22 will give you the inventory overview. From here you can activate it. Okay, for example, let's see, there in the document is available. Okay, no. So let's take any one warehouse who would be doing some practice. Okay, let's go to our table, that is always better. LI and K. Okay, I don't know anything. Oh, no one has created any document. LI01N, WM1 and open storage. Itself we can create. Okay, take any one bin. Okay, you can activate from here itself, or you can do in the this is what happening for the people who are practicing. They do all of things. Okay, mainly people need patience. People want always many people, I'm not addressing all the people, you cannot, because there are many good people will be there, but quite a number of people nowadays question answer. We are not preparing for some entrance exam, that's what you need to understand. You are not preparing for some entrance exam, still you need to understand the whole process, otherwise you cannot answer certain kind of questions. Okay, practicing means nowadays many people are feeling like practice is not required. When we get the job, we will see, we just want to prepare question answer and clear interview, then we will see. That's not at all, because see, this system I just for the demo I was just taken. There are many people are practicing and having warehouses, they never created one physical inventory document, they never tested also. Okay, so these kind of people are they're like, without practicing, without knowing the business process, without knowing more things, they want to get a job. Okay, and even not small packages, even very good package they want, but just prepare interview questions and answers. So that attitude, if any 30% or 40% of people among 100%, if there are people with that kind of attitude, please change, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to survive in the market. See, nothing was maintained. WM1 storage type, open storage. default values are not maintained. Define types for storage type WM1. Okay, storage type also not maintained. Let me maintain continuous inventory. So the basic setup was not done. Differences limits are not much required. Number ranges are important. For inventory, what is our warehouse number? WM1. Click on intervals. See, nothing maintained. We don't maybe 1002 3 to 5 3 to 5. Okay, I'll just maintain this number range here. I'm doing the basic configuration setup for the physical inventory process. Okay, I hope you can understand and get help. Now we need to assign the number ranges. What is our warehouse number? WM1. Nothing is assigned. Okay, inventory number range. Take on this. That's fine. We can keep it. This is enough for us. And save it. Okay, any other kind of a configuration? We have maintained the number ranges, and we have default values are maintained and storage type. Okay, the clear differences and all the SAP the standard is sufficient. The moment types, everything. We don't want to have any specific different one. Okay, so everything is set. Now let's go to /oli01n. This is the bin. Click on activate. Number of allowed bins exceeded after storage bin. Okay, so that also you can check it why that message has come. Okay, maintain differences and document limits WM1. Okay, so here we need to maintain that 712 and 711. Those are the movement types. What is the how many items are allowed for certain document? Here you can mention 50 documents or 30 or 40, whatever you can keep it. 40 you can keep it. Okay, so this is the importance of this configuration. The system was giving a message, right? You are now crossing that limit and all. That's what happened. So now we go to the LX22. The purpose of coming to SAP, and I was explaining. So LX22 I like it because it's very good to filter the not counted, partially counted and all the information, and also you can do certain activities from this screen itself. Okay, this is my document. You can select the document, you can activate if you are not yet done, you can print if you are not yet printed. Okay, so maybe I will give LP01 print now, just click continue. Not yet activated. See, system is saying that not yet activated. Because why it was not yet activated when you are trying earlier? Because of that limits error. Now click on activate. See, document is activated now. Now click on print. Click on continue. See, document is printed. The print document you can get in SP02. The spool request will be created. Okay, so just now this is the document which we have printed. 2 bins, physical inventory document, the date, it's a main count, inventory document number, all the informations are available. Okay, so you can go to the count. Same LX22 you can utilize, execute it and select. Okay, so you can use the display inventory, you can display from here, or you can activate print. This write off will be the LI20 transaction. Before that we need to enter the count. To enter the count, transaction is LI11N. LI11N, input your document and you can give 100 quantity. For example, the respective bin stock is 0. If you give 0, there is no use. You have to input the, see, system is giving that either set indicator or else input a quantity. So in case of 0 stock, you need to set this indicator. click enter and save it. Okay, so inventory document is created. Then you can go to again our LX22. The status is changed to counted. Earlier not counted to, now it's changed to counted. Select that line and click on write off. This write off is mainly for the LI20 transaction. You can see at the bottom, transaction is LI20. So this write off will only send the stock to 999 based on the loss or gain. If the 999 storage type have the stock of negative, it is a gain. If it has a positive, it's a loss. You just don't get confused. If 999 storage type has negative, it's a gain, and 999 has positive, it's a loss. I will tell you what is the reason behind that. Click on write off. Okay, now go to LI21. This is that financial transaction there, and 999 transaction. Here you can do the, see, 999 positive means this is the storage bin, under 999 positive means loss and negative means gain. Why it is happening like that? For example, last time also I made one kind of video. The storage location 1000 or else FG01 has a stock of 100, but the storage bin B10 has 40, B20 has 60. Okay, but you found some extra stock during physical inventory before LI21, that is maybe 99, for example, storage type M1B or M1B or something. Okay, so 999 storage type, and you have the physical inventory document 1001 or something. So here how much stock is there? You found extra. Okay, what is that extra stock? Minus 5. Okay, so what is that extra stock is stored in? Maybe something M1A A20 5 quantity. So you found 5 quantity extra, you place in the bin, but it cannot be 105 because finance has not yet cleared and storage location is still 100. So to manage both the inventories are same 100 100, system will keep an entry in the 999. Okay, similar way, okay, let me type here. This is storage location. This is gain, I am telling. So this is storage type, this is bin. Okay, same scenario. If it is a loss, how does system store the information? SLOC has 90, bin has 40 and 60, there is nothing, 40 and 60, but WM has 100, IM has 90. So overall always must be same, right? So system will keep until you match both the systems equal. System will store this minus 10 in 999. So 40 plus 60 minus 10 equals to 90. Overall it is same. So that's why if you see in your warehouse system 999 storage type has a negative stock, it means negative stock means it's a, one second, it's not negative here now, so let's keep it this one, green color. Yeah, negative means gain, here it is, positive means loss, positive means loss. Okay, so they have 110. So IM storage location has 110 stock, bins have only 100. Okay, because the 10 quantity are loss, so that lost 10 quantity will be stored in 999 until this posting is done, LI21. Okay, So until you do the LI21, system will do this one. I think LI21 I cannot post mostly because this company code may not have the proper finance setup or yeah, expected. So it is not available in the posting period. So it is in December. So we can change to December 2021. Let's try our luck. If no more finance issues and all, still expected. See, earlier issue was our MMPV related issue. Now the issue is related to OB52. Okay. So let's try to fix if possible without spending much time. Click on write off. System is giving the our MM issue. JML1 company code. The posting period is only possible in December 21. Now it is saying that GL account is not opened. Let's go to OB52. OB52 and account type yes. 2021. Okay. So that's the finance LI21, mostly the finance related things. In OB52 in real time what you have to do is you need to ask the finance member please open the FI posting period, so they will open it.